Hello there! Today I will be showing you an updated tutorial on how to install the latest Ubuntu server. Hello there! And welcome to Daniel Tech Tips channel. This is an updated tutorial on how to install Ubuntu Server version 20.04.4, a 64-bit architecture with long-term support or LTS edition. The tutorial also includes some recommended basic configurations and brief explanation of each configuration. Now, let's get started. First, we need to download the latest Ubuntu Server version. As of time of this video, the latest version is 20.04.4. This may take a while, please wait. When the download is completed, use any third-party utility, such as Rufus, to create a bootable USB flash drive. You can use any preferred utility, but in this tutorial I will be using Rufus. Take note that existing data in the USB flash drive will be erased. After complete, close Rufus utility and remove the USB flash drive. Then plug into the computer you want to install Ubuntu. Depending on your computer, you need to invoke the Startup selection menu. For my computer, I need to press the Enter key and press the F12 key. This may take a while, please wait. Once the installer loaded, you need to select your preferred language, use the arrow key to navigate, and press the Enter key when done. Next is to select your keyboard type. Now, this is where we select the type of base for the installation. The default selection is the normal Ubuntu server. This base will have much of standard tools and utilities installed. Unlike the smaller base, which is Ubuntu Server Minimized, where most tools and utilities needs to be installed manually or on a per-need basis. For this tutorial, I will choose the normal base installation. Now, we need to configure the IP address for the server. It is recommended to configure a static IP address. Choose the first interface, which is usually the LAN port, press the Enter key. Then select Edit IPv4 option. Next, select the manual option. In the subnet box, type in your network range with CIDR. For example, my network IP starts with 192.168.0.0/24. Next is to specify the server's static IP address. I will use 192.168.0.109. Next is to specify the router's or gateway's IP address. For simplicity, I will use Google's DNS server address. You can leave the search domains option blank. Just select the Save option and wait for the network to be connected. This may take a while, please wait. When it's connected, select the Done option. If you have a proxy server, enter the address here, or just leave it blank and select Done option. Ubuntu will now try to initialize a connection test to the repository servers. Please wait while it tests the connection. Once the connection have passed, just select the Done option. Now, you need to select which hard drive to install. As my system only have a single hard drive, I will just leave it as default and continue. Next is the partition schemes for the hard drive. Leave it as default, unless you need to modify it for specific purposes. When prompted, select the Continue option. Do take note that all data in the hard drive will be wiped clean. Next is to specify the server's name and the root's username and password. Ensure that you remember the login credentials. As I don't have Ubuntu Pro subscription, I will select Skip for Now option. Next is to install OpenSSH Server, as I will be managing the server remotely. On this screen, Ubuntu will let you select some common applications, like Docker or Nextcloud, but we will leave it all blank. Now, Ubuntu will perform the installation process and configure everything as specified previously automatically. This may take a while, please wait. Once the installation completed, select the Reboot Now option. Now, unplug the USB flash drive and press the Enter key to continue reboot. This may take a while, please wait. After reboot, Ubuntu will automatically generate the SSH key for you. Once the SSH key have been generated, we will continue to log in using SSH Terminal. Now, open command prompt and run as admin. Type in the following command. Note that the username and the IP address will differ. When prompted, type yes and press Enter key. This is to save the SSH key into your computer. You will be prompted for the password. Just type the password that you have created earlier. Before we continue, we need to ensure the server is in the correct time zone. Type in the following command to change to the time zone that matches your location. Next is to disable Ubuntu's cloud service, unless you need to have the service running, otherwise you can ignore this step. For security reasons, it is always recommended to update the Ubuntu server after installation. This will also update the repositories, ensuring there are no old or obsolete packages. This may take a while, please wait. After update completed, it is recommended to restart the server. This will ensure all packages are properly up to date. To restart the server, type in the following command. After the server restarted, log in back via SSH Terminal. This is to verify everything is working correctly. Congratulations! Now, you can proceed to install and configure any packages you want. Thank you for watching. And if you like my video, please hit a like button and subscribe to my channel. It will be a great motivation for me.